Hardshell really came forward when we needed them to, and off their own back they approached us to purchase and bring in a manufacturing line into Wales. We worked very closely with them to identify a location to get it set up and running.
The venture is unique primarily because we're actually making the raw materials here to make the mask, the Type 2R mask and the FFP3 masks. The purpose of the FFP3 is not only to stop you spreading the COVID-19, it also stops anybody having it, giving it to you.
Life Science Hub played a really important role, so it was able to be a one-stop shop for industry to come to, talk them through the safety checks and the quality assurance that we needed, and this was all able to be done quickly.
Prior to making masks, setting up the mask facility, we were actually making safety products such as body armor, armored vehicles. Life Sciences Hub Wales has been instrumental in many respects, and we're very happily working with them to develop different kind of masks as well. One of those is going to be what we call the FFP3 Plus, which will offer a better filtration with a minimal amount of resistance. Coupled with that, the other mask that's coming out is the transparent version.
The awareness of government of what's out there has increased, so as a result we're now thinking of a different manufacturing strategy of using those firms that before just weren't on the radar.
Hardshell UK will provide certified masks and respirators here, made in Wales, to our community and beyond.
Life Sciences Hub Wales is working collaboratively to make Wales the place of choice for health, care and well-being innovation. Join us as we make our vision a reality.